Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, one of the two. Today I'm going to show you some diamond painting items that I received from DPClubs. First of all, thank you DPClubs for letting me pick out some things to show everybody, and I think I got some good ones here to show you. They're quite generous, and I have some great stuff here. If there's other things on my channel that you might peck around and find, you'll notice that I love to talk about yarn and crochet. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons, and books. I do a book discussion on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. So look around, spend some time, see if there's stuff that interests you. Let's get into this because we got quite a few things. As you can see, let's start with this one. Then we'll do some of these little canvases. They're all so cute. I forgot what was in the pile. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's get it out. What do we have here? I don't know. You might ask. Oh, how funny is this? Okay, so it's one of the little stands, a little tabletop stand. Peel off your film. This one's already peeling off, right? Here's what the toolkits look like. And look at how cute this is. Okay, I'm not a huge Halloween person, but that is adorable. You know that's adorable. 3 little chickens all dressed up for Halloween in their witches' hats in front of their spooky house. That is so cute. I love it. Oh my goodness, that's cute. Look at all the special drills. All of these feathers on their breasts are special drills. Some on the wings, in the windows. It is cute. Oh my goodness. Don't forget, peel the film from the back too. There's a film on the back. You want to make sure you take that off. So let's look at the drills. What do we have? What are those special drills? We'll find out in a second, won't we? All right, here we go. All right, this is upside down. What color is this? It's dark right now. This is kind of a gray. Let's turn it upside down. Purple? Yeah, that's purple. A black. A gold, orange color, yellow. That's orange. And here's our special drills. Oh, that blue is really pretty. Faceted iridescent marquise. And this one is, okay, it looks purple, but it's all kinds of different colors. That is gorgeous. It has a black back. It is gorgeous. Or if not black, it's like deep metallic. And then we have these orange. That is lovely. I love that. I had to get this. You know me, chickens, Halloween. I had to get it, right? It's cute. Super cute. Okay. What else do we have? Well, since we're on the chicken thing, we might as well just pop this one out here. Yep, it's chicken. A hen and her little chicks. There they are. This is cool. You do put crystals around this border. The rhinestones go around the border. This background there, no drills there, but their house gets drills. They get drills, special drills on the flowers, and again on the hen herself. Super cute. This one has 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different drills. Look, there's a legend on both sides. And it looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 special drills. Love it. 6 special drills. Love it. Isn't it cute? There were others. There were other chicken paintings, okay? I will link this one below so you can find it, but check around because there were other things with little chickens on them, okay? Here's our rhinestones. We have clear, we have green, we have a pink, almost salmon, a gold, a red, a purple, a very colorful bird, a blue and another blue, and a light tan color, okay? Oh, then we have an iridescent faceted marquee. That is beautiful. Beautiful. That's going to be the flower petals, right? These flowers here, they're like daisies. Yep. We have pink, which are smooth and like the clear see-through kind. We have blue faceted. Those are pretty. Green faceted. Those have AB. This one does not. See the difference? No AB coating on these, but there is on that one. So these look very iridescent. And then some round gold faceted. Love it. Yep, we're in our chicken era. Well, I'm always in a chicken era. You know, that's just the way things are around here. Chickens. Well, and ducks. And ducks. Do we have any ducks in here today? I don't know if we have any ducks. We have this cute thing, though. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? That's adorable. I mean, we got bees, we got flowers, we got the sun. Here comes the sun, doo doo doo, right? This is my world. I love it. My flowers are no longer blooming. We've had too much frost, too many frosty nights. My zinnias are no longer with us, but that's adorable. Look at the tree, even has a face and it's smiling. This has, let's see, oh my goodness. There's 8 rhinestones and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 special drills for a total of 16. Well, 30 by 30. The sky, none of that gets drills. This grass, none of that, but it's super cute. Super, super cute. Okay? All right. Let's look at the drills. I like this flower right here. She's just kind of like, I'm in heaven. Oh, super cute. Oh, there's some fun stuff in here. Okay, so our rhinestones. We have gold. We have just some regular black, green, pink, purple. It's a long strip. Green, blue, another green. That's a turquoisey teal green there. Golden color, a pink. And look at these. There's our sun. Hello, sun, right? Those great big, huge gold teardrops. Then we have some flower petals in pink. We have some centers in the round red. We have some more centers, smaller, purple, and clear. Both of those have iridescent coating on them. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. It's super cute. Super, super cute. Love it. Okay. This one, okay. Let me say, I've said this before. Many times there's a multi-listing. This one is part of a multi-listing. So there's several different pictures there, and you have to make sure you put in the exact one you want. When I put in my little order, I have to put a little serial number or I get something else. This was not the one I ordered, or it is the one I ordered, not the one I intended to order. How's that? Because, I mean, this is cute. Don't get me wrong. It's cute. It's a little boxer, and he's all decked out for Halloween. He's in this big wooden crate. Happy Halloween with pumpkins. He's ready. A bat's buzzing around. Super cute. I love it. It's got 11 different colors, but there's a dachshund, and I meant to get the dachshund. Okay. So, anyhow, it's super cute though. Nonetheless, it's super cute. So, if I know anybody that has a boxer, I might send it their way. Here, have the boxer painting. All right. What do our drills look like for this? We have a golden color, an orange, a black, a purple, a green, a brown, and a clear. All right, here's our special drills. Gold faceted marquees, little gold balls, gold stars, and round faceted purple. Love it. Like I said, I have to pay close attention when I place orders to make sure I put that number. See that number right there? If I don't put in KH39 whatever the dachshund was, they send me probably the first thing from the listing if I don't specify which one I want. Okay, so one more item, and it's a big box. Okay, so we had the little box, now we got a big box. What's in? Oh, you know what? This is funny. Oh, no, this is a resent item because our first little guy was broken, if you recall. So they were very good, and they said they would send me out a new one with my next order. Remember, he was broken through here somewhere, cracked right through here, but he was held together because of this or whatnot. This one is not broken. Look at, did you notice there was this little piece of foam in the box? Now, is that what's helping it? Possibly. It's got to help somewhat, right? So yeah, I got a new one. And it's super cute. This one would be a lab, and he's ready for Halloween as well. Got his costume on, a cauldron, all the good stuff. Super cute. I know I've shown you this one before, so we'll go through the drills real quick because you've already seen this one, but it is good to know when you contact a company and tell them there's a problem. they will take care of it, right? And they did. They sent me a new one. Speaking of animals, I got little kitties going crazy over there. There's not a lot of different drills for this. We got black, some light yellow, some oranges, a couple different oranges, purple. That's it for rhinestones. Then we have special drills. We have these green faceted iridescent marquee. That's a lot. Green faceted iridescent marquee. And we have yellow stars, small ones and large ones. So there you have it. All right, well, that's what I have for you today, everybody. So let's give you a little rundown again. The replacement piece, the boxer that was supposed to be a dachshund. He grew up to be a boxer, not a dachshund. We have the pretty cute little things there. Of course, we got chickens. Chickens. I can't even get all this in here. And more chickens. More chickens. Okay, there they are. That's what we got for you today, folks. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please do the YouTube things of like, subscribe, hit buttons, comment, all of those things, because it notifies YouTube that you like the content. They'll push it out to other people. It really does help. So I appreciate it. All right. Until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.